Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can remove a location from Google Maps. Now, firstly, to remove a location from Google Maps, you'll have to have your device connected to the internet. Once your device is connected to the internet, open up a web browser of your choice. Now, I have the Google Chrome browser opened up on my screen. However, you can choose any browser of your liking and open that up. Once the browser opens up, on this search tab, type in GOOGLE MAPS and hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, you'll be redirected to the results page of Google. Now, on this page, you'll have to click on this first link, which is the Google Maps link. After you click on that link, you'll be redirected to the website of Google Maps. Now you can use this search bar to type in a location you want to delete and just hit this search button and the location will appear on your screen. If you have the location already appeared on your screen, you can just go ahead and click on the location you want to delete. Once you click on that location, this sidebar will appear on your screen. Now on this sidebar, scroll down and find this suggest and edit button and click on it. Once you click on that button, this menu will appear on your screen. Now there are two options on this menu: change name or other details and close or remove. Now if you just want to change some details of your Google Maps location, then just click on this first option. However, if you just want to delete or remove that location, you'll have to go ahead and click on this. Once you click on that option, another menu will open up. Now on this menu, you'll have to choose a reason for your suggested edit. Now choose a reason. If your location is temporarily closed, you can click on this. If your location is permanently closed, you can click on this and do whatever you like about the location. So just go ahead and click on one of these options. After you click on one of those options, this page will appear. Now on this page, you can add some photos to show Google Maps that a request is valid, and then just click on this submit button. Once you click on that submit button, this dialog box will appear. Now on this dialog box, just click on done. If your request or your suggest is valid, then Google Maps will automatically delete your location. I hope this video helped you to remove a location on Google Maps. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video. And do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.